How to speed up any internet connection on Windows 11. So for this, go ahead and tap on the search icon first and foremost, and in the search bar search for run. In this, you have to write a code npca.cpl. Then once you type in those code, tap on OK. Now go ahead and select the Wi-Fi with your Wi-Fi name. Here is mine. Then right click on it and go to Properties. From the list, go ahead and tap on Internet Protocol version 4 and tap on Properties once again. Select the option of Use the following DNS serve address. Now in the preferred one, make sure you write 1.1.1.1. For alternative DNS server, you have to write 1.0.0.1. This is the cloud DNS code. You can also enter Google DNS code if you want. Now, once you do that, go ahead and tap on the OK button, which is at the very bottom of the dialog box. On to the next step, exit this dialog box. Now select your Wi-Fi with Intel R. So right click on it and go to Properties once again. Now tap on Configure here and go to the option of Advanced, which is at the very top option. Now select the option of Fat Channel Intolerant from this list and make sure that it is disabled. As you can see right here, mine is disabled as well. Now once you check that, let's go and tap on Preferred Band. Select Prefer 5 GHz band. Now from there, tap on the option of Roaming Aggressiveness. Now as you can see, it is in highest. Let's go ahead and tap on lowest here. The lower the roaming aggressiveness, the higher the internet speed. Then scroll up to select the option of channel width for 5 GHz and make sure that it is on auto, and also make sure that for the channel width for 2.4 GHz it is auto as well. Now once you do that, just tap on OK, and the final step is to just go ahead and restart your PC. So you can head back from here and tap on the search icon and go to your restart option so that the PC will adjust to the new setting. Now, once you open your PC, you will have a much faster internet connection. Hopefully this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.